Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add admin to an Instagram page using Facebook Business Suite. Now let's get started. The first thing that we need to make sure is that you have an installed Business Suite app on your phone. But if not, you can go to your App Store and Google Play Store and install it, and it's available to both iOS and Android devices. Now you just need to open the app, and from here you need to make sure that you already sign in your Instagram page on the Business Suite. And once you signed in your Instagram page, you just need to click on the More or the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, you need to click on Settings, People, and click on the plus sign button at the top right corner of your screen. And here, you will type the email address of the person that you want to add as an admin to your Instagram page. Say for example, once that's done, you just need to click on Next. And here you have an option to what is the access of that person? Is it partial access or full control? You choose. And after that, click on Next. And this will be the preview. And once you already confirm everything, you just need to confirm by sending the request. And a request will be sent to that person, and they just need to accept it so that they will be added as an admin to your Instagram page. And that's it. That's how you add admin to your Instagram page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.